Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Jay's Guide. This is your host Jay. Let's start. In this video, I'm going to show you about how to create a contact form like this by using a free plugin called Ninja Form. So before moving forward guys, in the previous video we have learned about how to create contact us, affiliate disclaimer, about us, and privacy policy page. So if you haven't seen the video yet, click on the I button to see the video. Now let's click on contact us page. You can see guys, the page is empty because we have not added the contact form into this page, right? So let's add the contact us form to this page. To add a contact form, log into your WP admin page, then go to plugins and click on add new. Then at the right top search bar, type as Ninja. Click on install now. Now it is getting installed. Guys, you can see that it has 1+ million active installation and more than 4+ ratings. Now click on activate. Now your plugins is activated. Now go to Ninja Forms. Now click on add new. You have a default contact us form, so you can, if you want, you can add this default contact form, but I'm going to show you how to create it manually. So click on blank form. Now I'm going to add names, email, and paragraph text. Now I'm going to change the first name to full name, so I'll type as full name and enable the required field. So required field I have enabled. Now let the email be like that and enable the required field, and instead of paragraph text I will write as message and enable the required field. Now click on done. So you can see the form is created. Now click on publish, and it is by default giving an option to add submit button, which is already enabled. So I'll just name the form as contact us, then click on publish. So yeah, you can see that the submit button was not there before, but now it is added here. Now close the page. Now go to pages, click on all pages and select contact us, the page which we have created in previous video. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now click on the plus icon, then here. Okay, so you can see we have added a box here. So we'll just adjust the size of it, like how you want the size to be appear on your page. So I think this is good for me, so you can adjust the size as per your requirement. Yeah, this is good for me. Okay, let me adjust little more. Yeah, so this is in the middle, I believe. Yeah, this is fine. Now click on the plus icon and in the search bar type as Ninja. You'll get Ninja Form widget. Drag and drop the Ninja Form widget, and in the drop down select contact us. Click on apply, then click on update. Now go back to your website, click on contact us, Now you can see the contact us form is created and it is also added to your website. This is how you can create your contact us form and add to your website. Now let me see if it is working fine. Type your full name, your email ID and a message. Click on submit. Yes, so you can see your form has been successfully submitted. So this is how you can create your form and add to your website. You can now just check your registered email ID. You must have received an email of your website. If you found the video was informative, then please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.